Hi, in this video, we will learn how to add video banners to your website. To add video banners to your website, in the CMS, navigate to website, templates, click on customize. So in the video console, to add video banners, click on the banner to edit the banner, click on edit banner. On the right hand side, click on add banner. Now you can see these are the options available: solid color, image, video. Click on the video tab, and here you can upload a video banner. Simply click on the upload icon. So you can select a video from the asset library if it is already added, or else you can upload a new video for the video banner. Click on upload. Select a video from your device. So the video is now uploaded. So you can upload a cover image for the banner. So click here to upload the cover image. So it should be in 1600 into 560 pixel. So click here to upload, or you can select any image that is already uploaded to your asset library. Select the image. Now you can just adjust it and then click on proceed. So this cover image is uploaded. Now if you want to link this banner to any particular page, content category, content, or any website URL, so you can select it accordingly. Suppose I want to map it to a category, so I will select category from here, and you can even add some text on the banner. You can enable the button on the banner. You can change the button text here, and then click on update, so the video banner will be added. So once it is added, then you have to click on save and publish. Now you can see that it will be displayed on the home page of your website. So here you can see this is the video banner that we added here, and I can see the text and button also on the banner. So this is how you can upload a video banner to your website, and multiple video banners can also be added. Thank you for watching.